Well gone, people.
Welcome back to our original Flava kitchen.
That's right, guys. We've got two very special guests with us today. We've got Billy and Jack.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, thanks for having us. Absolute pleasure. It smells amazing in here.
So, bro, what are we going to be doing with the guys?
We're going to be doing some Caribbean-inspired shepherd's pie, but it's a curry goat pie or curry mutton.
That sounds banging. That is absolutely wonderful. Yeah.
You guys ready for the flavour?
Yeah.
We're ready for the flavour.
Billy, bro, like Caribbeans, like we love to season it proper, innit?
We season
You get me? The season the thing, you get me? So make sure.
Enough.
No, more. Man.
So you prefer using the mutton to like lamb? It's just got more flavour to it.
Yeah, this one.
It's a goat. It's goat, actually goat.
Yeah.
But you can use mutton or goat.
Oh,
Same
fantastic.
thing, but we actually use the goat because it's a lot more tender.
Amazing.
Have a little
You know what you're doing.
That's definitely the original flavour, mate.
That's getting me.
Hands?
That's
Hands.
getting me
Obviously,
going. That's getting me going.
Get stuck in. So how did you guys start?
On a cooking
You
show.
look quite familiar.
Yeah, we were lucky enough to get a Master Chef in 2016.
And we decided to keep on cooking.
Nice.
I needed someone to peel the spuds, basically.
We do loads of supper clubs and events.
Amazing.
Loads of food demos as well. So we love doing the food demos.
We really admired you guys from afar, you know, and literally it's an honour to be with you guys here today.
When would you kind of cook this sort of dish? Is this like a big sort of like get the family
So like
around Friday
with
night?
family, friends.
Exactly.
You know, showing your friends, you know, that are used to maybe curry goat, showing them you can do it in a different way. So what we like to do, we like to get that base, really, really lovely foundation. Foundation of the onions and garlic. We use that a lot.
Yeah.
Caribbean.
Like to pass with some seasonings down.
You got more. You can put more. You put more spices in.
Oh,
I love
yeah,
that.
mate.
It's like double spices. I
Double
love it.
spice, bro.
Yeah. You're going to throw in the goat now?
Oh, we're in.
Perfect.
Goat that you've made?
Yeah, it's all me, man.
Looking forward to this bit.
There we go. Get in there.
Yes.
Some coconut milk, water, and then you add some fresh thyme.
Nice.
Oh, here we go.
You do the honours? Yeah, so we like to put a Scotch bonnet in there as well. We like to
In whole.
throw it in
Yeah,
whole.
whole.
We like to, you know, it gives it a nice aroma. Spreads out the different flavours evenly.
And that's the thing about Caribbean food. It's not about too much heat.
Yeah.
It's about the balance of the heat and the flavour.
There we have it. Oh, wow.
Jeez.
Look at
That looks crazy.
Boys, this is. You're not going to hear me for a while.
Mate, this is an absolutely banging recipe. This is unbelievably good. Yeah, we're just
Thank you, man.
gonna eat this now.
Guys, you've got to try this recipe.
Trust me.
It's out on our new book as well.
That's right.
Go grab that.
Take care, guys. Peace and love. Thanks for letting Billy and Jack
Yeah, man. Big up to
us.
Billy and Jack.
Thanks for having us. It's been
Thanks for
awesome.
coming down, man. We couldn't do it without you.
Man.
We couldn't have done it without you, man.
We'll see you guys again.